Welcome to Narayan B College online classes. In the previous episode we completed Nernst equation only. So Nernst equation general form we discussed, Nernst equation for the single electrode discussed, and we will see some of the examples, general formula for this Nernst equation. Once again just I am writing the Nernst equation expression. Okay, what are the Nernst equation expression? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log concentration of, I wrote one formula, products by the reactants. So in case of this product, suppose you have to take which one undergo oxidizing, which one undergo reducing, you are taking oxidizing agent and reducing agent terms also we can use only. Okay, so this is the general formula we discussed only in yesterday regarding about this Nernst equation only. And one more formula also I wrote by taking a general equation only. What are the general equation here means? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log concentration of C whole power C, concentration of D whole power D by concentration of A whole power A into concentration of B whole power B. This was also discussed yesterday. Okay, let us see some of the examples for this Nernst equation. Okay, general expression you are writing some of the examples on it. Let us see one equation. We have AL plus 3. This is in the form of aqueous solution. Both are separated by salt bridge only. And one more we have Ni plus 2 and Eni only. This is an aqueous solution. This is a solid and this is also what? Solid only. So we have to write the expression for this equation only. If you want to write the expression, first you have to write the total equation only. Then you will get okay, what the terms we can take in this equation, you will get it only. So what are the equations? Suppose I am writing here, I will write the equation like this: Al plus Ni plus 2 gives rise to Al plus 3 plus Ni. This is the equation. Aluminum undergo oxidation, nickel undergo what? Reduction only. So we have to balance it for the number of electrons on the both sides only. Clear na? Suppose I am writing here 2Al. Okay, 2Al, suppose I am writing here 2Al, suppose you have to write, then I will get it here 2Al plus 3 only. 2Al gives us 2Al plus 3. Here 2 into 3, how many electron changes there? We have 6 electron changes there. But come to this Ni plus 2, Ni only change is there, Ni plus 2 is plus 2, here what? 0. Only there is a change in what? 2 electrons only. So what we will do means here we have to balance the electrons on the both sides. So what we will get here? 3Ni plus 2 gives rise to what? 3Ni only. Now we can see 3 into 2 6 electrons, here 2 into 3 6 electrons. So what are the change in number of electrons you will write? N is equal to 6 we can write. So this is what? Solid. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Solid only. Now we can write expression what? E cell is equal to what you will write? E naught cell minus 0.059 by n value how much? 6 into log, what is there? Al plus 3, concentration of the Al plus 3 whole square by concentration of Ni plus 2 whole cube. Already told you this stoichiometric quotient comes under what? Powers only. So this is the expression for what? Nernst equation for this cell reaction only. Clear? Let us see one more example we have. Second example, magnesium with Mg plus 2, and you will write here Ag plus and Ag. This is the solid, this is the aqueous, and this is the aqueous, and this is the solid only. What you will write? You will write the equation only. So what you will write here? Magnesium plus Ag plus gives rise to what you will get? Mg plus 2 plus Az you will get on. Okay. Now we will see here Mg plus 2, magnesium lost how many electrons? 2 electrons lost only. That will be converted into a magnesium current to magnesium plus 2 only. Here Az plus is there, Az is there. Here difference in electron how much here? If the element in the form of a pure form, that your oxidation number is always 0. So here plus 1 to 0, there is change only 1 electron only. So what I want right here, I will write here 2 Ag plus and I will write what? 2 Ag. This is the solid. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Solid. Now what you can write? What is the number of electron change? Number of electron change is how much here? 2 only. Now what you will write? You will write the Nernst equation expression for this equation only. Then what you will get here? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 into log. What you will get? Mg plus 2 by what you will get? Az plus whole square only. Why here? The coefficient is how much is there? 2 is there. So this is the expression for what? This is the Nernst equation expression for the second example, that is Mg and what? Mg plus 2 only. And one more we have Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2, we have salt bridge is there, and one more electrode we have. One more electrode I am writing here H plus H2. Okay, H plus is there and H2 with the platinum electrode is there. So this is the equation only. Okay, what you will write? You will write the first balanced equation only. I will write here Zn plus H plus gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus H12 right on. So Zn is converted to Zn plus 2 by changing how many electrons here? 2 electrons only. Here H plus is there, H plus is converted into what? H2 here plus 1, here what? 0. If you write here 2H plus, then what you will get? 2H plus, Zn plus 2H plus gives you Zn plus 2 plus what? H2 only. How many electron change is there? Number of electron change is what here? 2 only. So this is what? This is a solid. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Gas you are taking on. Now what I want to write here? I want to write here E cell. E cell is equal to what you will write? E naught cell minus 0.059 by what is the value? 2 into log concentration of Zn plus 2 by what I will get? Concentration of H plus whole square only. Clear why? The quotient is there 2, it comes under power. Here quotient is 2, it comes under power. Here quotient is what? 3, it comes under power. So this is the way of writing what? Nernst equation. If the cell reaction is given, or if they given oxidation of the half cell, or if they given reduction of the half cell they given, by using that you can construct the cell and you can write the expression for the Nernst equation only. Okay, so this is regarding about some examples on the writing of Nernst equation only. See the next concept we have concentration of the cells only. Important for the objective purpose, this concentration of the cells. So sometimes we may be get the questions from this concept of the concentration of the cells only. So what is the concentration of the cells? Means here 2 cells are there with the same type of electrolyte, but the concentration of the solutions are different only. Concentration of the solution are what? Different only. Okay, see this one. A cell in which both electrodes are same, but the solution of electrolyte in which they are dipped have what? Different concentrations only. Electrodes are same, electrolytic solution also same, but having what? The different concentrations only. That we are calling as what? Concentration of the cells only. So the electrodes are the same, the solution of electrolyte in which they are dipped having what? Different concentrations only. That we are calling as a concentration of the cell only. Let us take one example we have. Copper ion in concentration of the cell in which copper electrodes are dipped in what? 2 different concentrations of C1 and C2 only. We are taking a copper electrode. That copper electrode can be dipped in electrolytic solution only. That electrolytic solution also same, but those are having what? Different concentrations. Those are, suppose I am telling C1 is the first one concentration, C2 is the second one concentration only. Now we will see the cell reaction here. Copper electrode is there, copper sulfate solution aqueous with what? C1 concentration. Copper sulfate is there with C2 concentration. Again in the second beaker what we have? Copper electrode is also there. The concentration of the first one is C1 and here the concentration of the next one is what? C2. You know, this is the oxidation part is there, anode, cathode, middle what is there? What we have? We have salt bridge is there. So this is what here? Electrode is same. Electrolyte is also same, but having what ma different concentrations, C1 and what ma C2 only. So this is regarding about what ma concentration of the cell only. Okay, so what happened here, the standard potentials of the both electrodes are what may cancel. What is the standard electrode potential? E naught cell is cancelled for the both electrolytes only. Then we will get one expression for this concentration of the cells only. The standard potentials of two electrodes will be cancelled. The standard potential of two electrodes are cancel. Okay, cancel with what you can say, cancel with each other only, or cancel. Then what will be the expression you are getting? Standard potential means what here? E naught cell is become what here? Cancel only. Then what are the expression you are getting here? E cell is equal to, you will get here E cell is equal to, if suppose you are writing here, suppose I am writing RT by, okay, or you can say RT by 2 into F I wrote 1. Why here? In this cells Cu convert into what? Cu plus 2 only. Here N value is equal to 2 will write. RT by what you will write? RT by 2F you can write. Then you are writing here Ln C2 by C1 only. Ln what? C2 by C1 you can writing only. Now I want to convert this one. E cell is equal to what you will get here if you add the values. R value 8.314, temperature 298 Kelvin, Farad value 96487. What you will get? You will get it here 0.059 by 2 into what you will get log C2 by C1 you are getting. Why here N value is 2. You know already Ln value convert into log, how much you can multiply? You can multiply the one 2.303. If you multiply, then log E base C become what? Log base 10 only. Okay, what the expression you got here? E cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 into log C2 by C1. For this is the equation only. So generally what you will write here? You will write here E cell is equal to 0.059 by N into log C2 by C1 concentration only. C2 by what? C1 concentration. What is C1 and C2? C1 and C2 are the concentration of the electrolytic only. So this is the general formula we are using to identify what? Concentration of the cells when the cell is electrode is same, electrolyte is also same, but having what? A different concentrations. So this is the formula we are using 0.059 by N into log C2 by C1 we are using only. And one more point also here, right here, what you can say here, the EMF is positive only. The EMF of the cell is positive. So generally what here means here, C2 always greater than what? C1 only. Concentration of the C2 always greater than what here? C2 only. So this is regarding about which one? Concentration of the cells only. What are the formula we have? We have the formula E cell is equal to 0.059 by N into log C2 by C1 only. So I will discuss one problem on this concentration of the cells. Let us see one question on the same model only. Calculate the E cell for the cell reaction. Zn ZnSO4 0.01 concentration, ZnSO4 and Zn what are the concentration? So 0.1 concentration is there. You see here electrode is zinc. Here also electrode is what? Zinc only. Here what are the electrolyte? Zinc sulfate only. Here also what electrolyte? Zinc sulfate only. But what are the difference is there? There is a difference in the concentration. Here the concentration of the solution is 0.01. Here the concentration of the solution is 0.1 only. Okay. If you want to write the reaction, generally what will happen? Generally Zn is converted into what? Zn plus 2. Okay. Zn is converted into what? Zn plus 2 by loss of, you can say here 2 electrons only. So from this you will write N value how much here? 2 only. Now we will see what is the formula we have. E cell is equal to 0.059 by N into log C2 by C1 only. Log C2 by C1. I already told you C2 always greater than what? C1 only. So what is C2 here? C2 is equal to 0.1. C1 is equal to 0.01 only. Let us substitute the value we have. E cell is equal to 0.059 by, this is 2 into log, this is 0.1 by, this is 0.01 only. Let us substitute the values we have. 0.059 by 2 into, this is log, I will write 0.1, that is 10 power minus 1 only, by this one I will write here 1 into 10 power minus 2 only. Okay, then what you will get ma? You will get 0.059 by 2 into this is log. I will add this is 10 power minus 1. Just I want to change this one. What you will get ma? This is 10 square only. Here 10 power minus 1 10 square. What you will get? 10 power 1 only. Then I will write here 0.059 by 2 into log 10 power 1 only. So log 10 power 1 means log 10 only na. Okay. Now what is the log 10 value ma? Log 10 is equal to what here? Log 10 value how much here? 1 only. Then you will write here E cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 into this we will write what? Log 10 only. Log 10 value what? 1 only. So this is 0.059 by 2 into what you will get? 0.0295 only. So this is what? This is what ma? This is regarding about the calculation of the E cell only when they give it different concentrations for the same alkali. What is the answer you got? 0.0295 Okay, the same formula you can write the electrolyte or you can say the electrode for the different types of the pressures only. For different types of the pressure, the concept is same only. So E cell is equal to 0.059 by N into log P1 by P2. Okay. So here EMF of the cell is positive when P1 is greater than what? P2 only. If the P1 and P2 values are given, highest value always P1, least value always what? P2 only. So like this you can use this formula, you can find out the E cell for when they are giving different pressures only. We discuss an example with the different concentration. Like that again, okay, we'll the objective questions and all will check it whether it is the question is there related to this concept, we'll discuss on. Clear? So one more again I am repeating what is the formula of the other more concentration. E cell is equal to 0.059 by N into log C2 by C1 here. C2 is greater than what? C1 only. So these two formulas are important. These comes under what? Concentration of the cells, so having with different concentrations and with what? Different pressures only. Let us see this question. This is the NCERT question only. Represent the cell in which the following reaction takes place. They given one cell reaction, cell equation only here. Magnesium plus 2 Ag plus, this is the concentration of this Ag plus is 0.0001, gives rise to Mg plus 2 with this concentration 0.130 plus 2 Az only, and they asking here calculate E cell if E naught cell is given 3.17 volts only, 17 volts. So here they want to calculate the E cell and they given E naught of the cell only. So this question is related to which concept? Means Nernst equation only. So this is not, this is for the different electrolytes and different electrolytes and electrolytic solutions also. Clear? First of all, they asking what ma? They asking represent the cell. Cell means you have to write the cell reaction first, then you can calculate the E cell for the reaction only. I will write the cell representation. How can you represent the cell ma? Already told you magnesium and magnesium plus 2 here. Magnesium undergo what ma? Oxidation only. Oxidation takes place at what? Anode you will write Mg, this is Mg plus 2 with 0.130 molar. This is a solid and this is what ma? Aqueous solution. Both are separated by what? Salt bridge only. Then which one undergo reduction here? Az plus and Az undergo what here? Reduction only. So you will write what here? Az plus and what ma? Az. What is the concentration? This one 0.0001. This is the molarity. This is what ma? Solid. This is the aqueous solution only. So I already represent what here? I already represent cell reaction only. Okay. Now what they are asking? Just I won't write in the brackets and down I wrote. Then what you can find out next? We have to find out the E cell for the reaction only. Okay. What is the formula we have? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into log. Okay. Log what you can write? Concentration of the product by the concentration of the reactant you can write. Otherwise what you can say here? Magnesium Mg plus 2 only. Magnesium undergo what ma? Oxidation only. Oxidation means we can write reducing agent. We are calling it reducing agent or not. The element which undergo oxidation we are calling as reducing agent. the element which undergo reduction we can call as oxidizing agent only. You can write reducing part by the oxidizing part you can write, otherwise you can directly take here. If you observe the cell reaction, so which one is product here? These two are the product only, but one is the concentration is what? One only, because it is in the form of which one? Solid state only. Then what I want to take here? I want to take what? Mg plus 2 only. Okay, so I will write can write our products by the reactant, suppose I will write. Otherwise you can apply for this one. I will write E cell is equal to, what the E naught cell is given, ma? E naught cell is given 3.17 minus this is 0.05, 9 by 2 I am writing only. Why here? In this reaction N value how much, ma? 2 only, because there is a change in the 2 electrons only. Now I will write here, this is log, okay. Silver is there, magnesium is there. Silver in the form of which state? Solid state only. The concentration 1. Just I am taking which one, ma? Mg plus 2. By here magnesium in the form of solid state. What is the silver here? Ag plus only. So here Ag plus I will write whole power 2 only. Why? Because the stoichiometric quotient 2 is there only. Now what I want to write? E cell is equal to E naught E cell is equal to 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into log. What is the concentration of Mg plus 2? This is 0.130 by what is the concentration of Ag plus, ma? 0. You will write 0001 whole power 2 only. Whole power 2. What are the concentrations are given? You substitute in that one only. Clear? So now I will write here. This is 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into this is log. I will write this one 0.130. Can I write here 1 into 10 power minus 3? Okay, so I will write this one 1 into this is 10 power minus 3 whole power 2. I will write on. Clear? So if you write this one, this is 3.17 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into log this is 0.130. Let us see here, 10 power minus 3 into 2 how much more? 10 power minus 6 only. 10 power minus 6, if you change the position, what you will get? 10 power 6 only. Directly what I am writing, otherwise I will convert one more step only. This is 1 into this is 10 power minus 6 only. So you will write this one, this is 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into this is log 0.130 into I will write this is 10 power 6 only. 10 power 6 I wrote on. Clear na? Now what you can see means we have to see some of the log values only by using the logarithm books only. Okay, I will write one more step here. This is 3.17 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into I will write log this one. This is 13 into I will write this is 10 power 4 only. Because I want to get the log 13 value, it is easy. When compared to 0.13, you are getting negative values only. That is, you are writing bar like that only. Instead of that one, just what I am doing here, I want to write this one. What I will write here, I will multiply this one, it become what? 13. 13 into what here? 10 power 4 only. Now, you will see the next step we have only. In the next step, what I want to find out, I want to find the log 13 value only. Clear? Okay, log 13 value we have to know. So, this what is there here? 10 power 4 is there. I will write that one in the form of which one, ma? 4 log 10 only. Already now only I told here log 10 value 1. If you write 4 log 10, 4 into 1, what is the value? We have 4 values there. Let us see the value of this log 13 only. Just a little bit change in the concentration of this Az plus ion only. Actually they given 0.001. Sorry, just we can change this one. This is 0.0001. You can take only. Just I will change where I took 0.001. Just I will change this one to 0.0001 only. This is 0.0001. If you want to change this one, what you will get? This is 0.0001 only. 0001 means what you can write, ma? You will write 10 power minus 4 only. So this is become 10 power minus 8 only. Okay. Then you will write here what you will write? You will write 10 power 8 you will write only. So this we can write in the form of which one, ma? 10 power 6 only. This change is there. So now what you do? This is log A into log B only. You know in the mathematics log A B is equal to what, ma? Log A into B is equal to what? Log A plus what, ma? Log B only. I will apply the same formula I have. 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into this is I will write here log 13 plus I will write this one 6 into this is log 10 only. So 10 power 6 how we can write? 6 into log 10 you will write only. Clear? Now what you will do means you have to identify the value of log 13 only. Clear? Just you will see log 13 value. Log 13 value we have, this is 1.1139 only. Okay, and the log 10 value we have 1 only. Just you can keep your bracket only for understanding. Then you can substitute the values. Then what you will get? That is equal to, this is 3.17 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into log 13 value how much? This is 1.1139 plus this is 6 into log 10 value 1 only. You will get 6 you are getting only. Now here 6 plus 1 7 only. I will write this one. This is 3.17 minus this is 0.0295 only. 0.05 into how much? 0.0295 only. So this is 7.1139 we have one. 11 what? 39. Now we have this is 3.17 is there minus you can multiply this one 0.0925 into 0295 into 7.1137 approximately you will get 0.209 only. 0.209. If you do the calculation approximately how much you will get? You will get here 2.96 volt only. So that is what? That is E cell for the reaction only. So what are the finally what E cell? So E cell is equal to what? E cell is equal to 2.961. For the first problem, because I want to elaborately write each and every step only. If you know the direct pattern, you can directly substitute, but maybe you will get 3 to 4 steps only, because in the board exam they ask in the question from this Nernst equation, they will give the cell reaction, find the E cell of the reaction only. Sometimes what they gave, they did not give E naught cell directly. In this case they give E naught cell directly only. Some cases they did not give E naught cell directly. You have to find out E naught cell from the given values only. So this is the way of calculation of what? E cell from which reaction? Which Nernst equation if they giving cell reaction like this only. So there one more question, this is also from the NCERT only. Calculate the EMF of the cell for the following reaction takes place. Ni solid plus 2 Ag plus with concentration 0.0002 m gives rise to Na plus 2 plus that is concentration is 0.160 m plus 2 Ag and given E naught cell is equal to 1.05 is the reaction only. Now if you want to solve this question, we can write what the information is given. E naught cell is equal to, this is 1.05 volts only, clear? And in this case N value I will write because Ni gives rise to Na plus 2, we have 2 electron changes there. What is the formula we have? E cell is equal to what you can write? E naught cell minus this is 0.059 by 2 into, or you can say N into, you will write here log concentration of the product by the reactants only. What the E naught cell is given? This is 1.05 minus 0.059 by N value how much? 2 into, this is log, what are the product here? Na plus 2 only, because the silver in the form of which one? Solid state. I will write this one Na plus 2 by here you will get Ag plus concentration what? Whole square only. You substitute the values here. Now I will write here E cell is equal to what the E naught cell? That is 1.05 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into log, what are the concentration of Na plus 2? Na plus 2 is given 0.160 by this one how much? 0.002. Here what are the quotient is there? 2 is there. You will get it what? This one only. Now I will write this one 1.05. This is 0.059 by 2 into this I will write log 0.160 by, can I write this one 2 into 10 power minus 3? Yes, I will write this one 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square only. This is 1.05, this is 0.059 by 2 into log 0.160 by 2 square how much? 4 only. 4 into this is 10 power minus 6 only. Clear na? Now yes, you can calculation of this simplification 0.059 by 2 into log this is 0.160 into this is 10 power 6 by 4 only. Just you can change this denominator to the numerator only. Then what you will get here? 1.05 minus 0.059 by 2 into log, I will write this one 16 into 10 power 4 by 4 only. Okay na, 4 how many times cancel ma? 4 times is cancel only. You will get here 1.05 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into log 4 into 10 power 4 only. You can apply log A and log B only. Then what you will get ma? This is 1.05 minus 0.059 by 2 into this is log 4 plus this is 4 log 10 only. You know log 10 value? How much? 1 only. So log 4 value how much? Log 4 we have generally log 2 you know, log 2 value we have 0.3010. Log 4 means you can add one more this one, what you will get 0, this is 0, you will get 0.6020, this is the what? The value of log 4 only. You will get 1.05 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into log 4 value 0.6020 plus this is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 how much ma? 4 only. Okay. Now we can see the next step we have. Next step we have. What are the next step ma? You will write this one. This is 1.05 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into what is the value we have? This is 4 plus 6 points. Okay, what you will get? You will get it here 4 point. What will you get ma? This is 4.6020 only. You will get here 1.05. This is 0.0295 into 4.6020 only. Just you can do the calculation part, you will get the answer. You will multiply this one 0.0295 into 4.6020, you will get 0.1357. This is 1.05 minus 0.1357, you will get what? 0.9142 volts only. This is what? This is the E cell for the reaction only. Already told you. If you know the steps, one or two examples, just I will elaborate like right only. For the next examples and all, directly will substitute the values only. So this is the question from what ma? NCERT only. Then we will discuss one question previously asked in the board exam. Then we will go for the next concept only. So this is one of the previous question asked in March 2018 related to the Nernst equation calculation of the EMF of the cell only. Calculate the EMF of the cell for the reaction Mg plus Cu plus 2. Concentrations are given Cu plus 2 and Mg plus 2 with this is Cu plus only. Cu plus. You know this is solid, this is aqueous, this is aqueous, this is what ma? Solid. Given E naught Mg plus 2, Mg given minus 2.37 and E naught of Cu plus 2, Cu is given 0.34 only. In this case they did not given E naught cell directly only, but they given reduction potentials is given only for the Mg plus 2 and Mg, Cu plus 2 and what? Cu only. So first what you can find out? You can find out the E naught cell only. Then you can find out the EMF of the cell only. Okay. So how can you find out here E naught of the cell? So you know E naught of the cell, what you can, you know here E naught cathode minus what ma? E naught anode, you know. E naught cathode minus E naught anode, or you can write here E naught of right minus what ma? E naught of the left only, you can write only. So in this case, I already told you in the previous section how we can identify the anode and cathode if confusions are there. Here what are the values given? This is 0.34 plus 0.34, this is minus 2.37 only. I already told you largest value always taken in the form of what? Cathode only. Smallest value can taken in the form of what? Anode only. Keep that point in your mind if you are getting confusion. Otherwise you can apply. So E naught, a reduction takes place at what? Cu plus 2 Cu only. That value what? 0.34. Then what you can take? You can take the magnesium value only. Okay. Simple trick. You can write here large value. Large value always what ma? Cathode only. Small value can take always what? Anode. If we have confusion. Only. So from this I will write here E naught cell is equal to what are the cathode value given ma? Cathode means largest value, that is how much? 0.34. This is minus of minus anode value how much given ma? That is given minus 2. What here? 37 only. You can add this 0.3734 plus then what you have ma? 2.37 only. So then what you will get ma? This is 2. What will get here? 2.71 volts you will get only. This is what? This is what? E naught of the cell only. Understood all of it? So then next what you can find out? You can find out what ma? E cell for the reaction only. That we can say EMF of the cell only. Clear na? Now EMF of the cell, what you can write here? EMF of the cell, or you can write E cell is equal to what you will write ma? E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log P by R you can write, or you can directly write for the ions in this there. What are the E naught cell value? This is 2.17 minus this is 0.059 by how much? 2 electron change is there. So from this equation you will write n is equal to, because mg convert into what? Mg plus 2 only. This is 2 only into log, what you will write ma? Mg plus 2 by Cu plus 2 concentration. So this is 2.17, this is 0.059 by 2 into log, what is the concentration of Mg plus 2? This is 0.001 we have, by what is the concentration of Cu plus 2? 0.0001. This is 2.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into, this is log, you will write this is 1 into 10 power minus 3 by this is 1 into 10 power minus 4 only. You will get here 2.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into this is 1 into 10 power minus 3, it becomes what ma? 10 power 4 only. Then what you will get? You will get log 10 only, that is 2.17 minus this is 0.059 by 2 into this, you will get what? Log 10. Log 10 value 1 how much? Log 10 value 1 only. Then you will get this is 2.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into 1, you will get this is 2.17 minus this is 0.0295, you will get it all. That is 0.059 by 2. So altogether what you will get means you will get here 2.68 volts only. So this is what? This is the E cell for the reaction only. So this is what question? This is the March 2008 question. What you are finding? You are finding EMF of the cell or what? E cell of the reaction only. Next you can see my question number 4 and question number 5 on the board only. Calculate the EMF of the cell for the following reaction at 298 Kelvin. Cu plus 2 0.130 m molar. This is the salt bridge only. Ag plus concentration given 1 into 10 power minus 4 and Ag solid only. So given here E naught of Cu plus 2 Cu 0 plus 0.34. So this is plus 0.80 volts only. What they ask here? Calculate the EMF of the cell only. Same Nernst equation you can apply. First you can find out what E naught of the cell by taking E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Cathode always I told you largest value, anode always what? Smallest value. You can add that formula, use that formula, you can find out first E naught of the cell, then substitute the values on the Nernst equation, you will get the answer how much? 0.25 volts only. Solve this question. Next we have calculate the E naught cell for the following reaction at 298 Kelvin. The cell reaction is given. 2Cr plus 3Fe plus 2 with 0.01 m concentration gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 with 0.01 m plus 3Fe only. Given that E cell is equal to 0.261, they are asking E naught of the cell only. Up to now we are finding E cell only. If the E naught cell they are asking, then you can write the formula. E cell is equal to E naught of the cell, you are writing. E cell is equal to what you are getting here? E naught cell is equal to E cell plus 0.059 by n into log concentration of the product by concentration of the reactant you will get only. So just you can different, you can change that one, you will get the answer how much? 0.2807. Doubt is there. Here how many electron change is there? 3 into 2, 6 here, 2 into 3 how much? 6 only. So n value how much you will take in this question? 6 only. So in this question n value how much you can take? N value is what? 2 you have to take on. So solve this, try these 2 questions. Along with these questions we are given one material for you, board material only. In that also some of the Nernst equation questions are there. To practice it you can perfect in that one. Definitely you will get one question in the board exam related to what? Nernst equation only. These 2 are you can take in the form of which one? Homework only. See the next question, this is one of the different model question only. Calculate the EMF of the cell for the following cell reaction: cadmium CD plus 2 with concentration 0.01 with H plus 0.02 concentration. Here what you can see, this is hydrogen electrode only. Okay, that is 0.8 atmosphere pressure is given, and one more is given CD plus 2 CD is given how much? Minus 0.40 volts only. What are they asking? They want to ask to calculate the EMF of the cell only. So first what you can write, we will write the cell reaction for this question only. So what is the cell reaction? You can see here, cadmium plus 2H plus gives rise to cadmium plus 2 plus what? H2 only. This is the reaction only. So this is the cadmium in the form of solid. What are the concentration of H plus is given? That is 0.02 only. Here what are the concentration of CD plus 2 we have? this is 0.01 we have, and hydrogen concentration, H2 gas concentration already given, that is in the form of partial pressure only, that is given what ma, 0.8 only, 0.8 only. First we can find out how many electrons are changed here. Number of electron changes what here, 2 only. First what you can find out, the E naught of the cell. E naught of the cell means what here, you know, E naught of cathode minus E naught of which one ma, anode. So what is cathode in this case? The cathode is what ma, hydrogen electrode. We have what is the cathode ma, hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode value how much ma? Standard hydrogen electrode value E naught cell how much here, 0, minus of minus. What is anode here? What is anode ma? This is this one. So minus of this is 0.40 volts only. It's not given in this SHE, but SHE standard potential how much? For standard hydrogen electrode potential, that is E naught of this cell always what ma, 0 only. So among 0 and negative value, which is highest means you are taking 0 is the highest value only. E naught value already told you, cathode value always what, largest, anode value always what, smallest only. So 0 minus of minus 0.40, then what you will get ma, 0.40 volt, you are getting positive value only. This is what you can say, this is E naught of the cell only. Then common what you can say, you write the formula. What is the formula we have? E cell is equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.059 by N into log products by the reactants, you can write on. Now what you will see, what are the N value change in this reaction ma? The change in N value how much here? 2 only. Now we can see the substitution of these values in the given equation we have. Now I will see, I will write here E cell. E cell is equal to, what are the E naught cell you got? E naught cell you got 0.40 minus, this is 0.059 by 2 into log, what are the products are there here? Here 2 products are there. One is cadmium, one is what? Hydrogen only. Those concentrations you have to consider. Then you will write here log, this is 0.01 into this what here? 0.8, that is a partial pressure by concentration of H plus whole square. What are the concentration of this one? 0.02. This is 0.02 what ma? You will write whole square one. Clear na? Now we can simplify this one. This is 0.040. This is 0.0295 into, okay, what we have, this is 0.01 into, this is 0.8 by 0.2 can I write here 2 into 10 power minus 2? I will write this one. This is 2 into 10 power minus 2. You will write what ma? Whole square you will write on. Now you will write here 0.040 minus, sorry not 040, only 40 only, 0.40 minus 0.0295 into, this is log 0.01 into 0.8 into, I will write this one 10 power 4 only. Minus 2 10 power minus 4, you change that one, you will get 2 square means how much? You will get 4 only. Just we will do the simplification part. Just you can see here 4 here 0.2 times cancel only, then you will get this is 0.40 minus 0.0295 into, this is log, this one you can multiply, what you will get, this is 0.002 into, you will write what, 10 power 4 only. From this I will write 0.40 minus 0.0295 into, I will write this one in the form of log 20 only. So what are the log 20 value? Means log 20, how much you are getting means here 1.3010 only. This is the value of which one? This is the value of which one? Log 20 only. Now we will write this one 0.40 minus 0.0295 into, this is 1.3010 only. Now you can multiply this one 0.0295 into 1.3010, you will get 0.0383. 0.40 minus 0.0383, you will get 0.3617 only. So this is the answer for this question. Different model, they did not ask in this board exam, maybe chances are there for the objective exam also. Like this also you will get the model in this Nernst equation only. So the next concept, we have equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation only. So if you once you can recall the equilibrium constant in first year, we have equilibrium constant Kc. Kc in the form of concentration terms, Kp in the form of concentration of the partial pressures only. If you take the Kc, what you will write? You will write the concentration of the product by the concentration of the reactant only. to derive this Nernst equation, okay, what you can say, equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation, I have to consider the Daniell cell, or you can say the galvanic cell only. What I want to consider here, consider galvanic, or you will take what cell ma? Daniell cell only. Galvanic or Daniell cell. What are the Daniell cell equation we can write here? Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives rise to, you have Zn plus 2 plus what ma? Cu, this is the solid, and this is the aqueous, and this is the aqueous, and this is what ma? Solid only. So generally in the electrochemical cell we are discussing about the construction of this galvanic cell. We will observe one point only. When the circuit is completed, the concentration of the Zn plus 2 ions is increases, and the concentration of the Cu plus 2 is what ma? Decreases only when the circuit is completed. Concentration of the Zn plus 2 increases in the sense the mass of the zinc electrode is decreases, and the mass of the copper electrode is what ma? Increases only. In this case, what are the change in the concentration only? The change in the concentrations we are comparing with both Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 ions only. Concentration of the Zn plus 2 ions in the solution increases, and the concentration of the Cu plus 2 ions in the solution is what ma? Decreases only. Now we'll say this one, Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus what ma? Here Cu only. Okay, what we can write here, when the reaction is going, okay, when the reaction is going on, when the reaction takes place in galvanic cell, what you can see here, concentration of Zn plus 2 is decreased, concentration of Zn plus 2 is what ma? Increases. Concentration of which ions is what ma? Zn plus 2 ions is what? Increases, and concentration of Cu plus 2 is what ma? Decreases. Concentration of Cu plus is what? Decreases. Suppose you can see this one diagrammatic representation only. So what you can write this diagram in the sense here, we are taking what means we have to take here a reduction potential versus progress of the reaction only. I will write here Rp. What is Rp ma? Reduction potential versus progress of the reaction. Progress of the reaction. So which concentration is increases ma? Zn plus 2 concentration increases. Which concentration is decreases ma? Cu plus 2 concentration is decreases. Suppose Zn plus 2 concentration increases like this. Clear? Suppose concentration of the Cu plus 2 ions is decreases like this only. But at a certain point, both concentrations are equal or not? So this point you are calling as what point means here? This is called as a equilibrium point only. What point means this is? This you are calling as a equilibrium point only. So this is what? This is a Cu plus 2 concentration is decreases. Here what ma? Zn plus 2 concentration is what? Increases. At certain point, both concentration of the Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 are what? Equal only. That we are calling as what ma? Equilibrium only. I will write this one. At equilibrium, simply writing equilibrium only. At equilibrium, concentration of Zn plus 2 ions is equals to concentration of Cu plus 2 ions only. Concentration of Zn plus 2 ions is equal to concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. At what point ma? At equilibrium only. Suppose at this point you want to measure the EMF of the cell, then what happen means ma? The E cell value becomes what here? 0 only. Why? There is no net change in the concentration of the both Zn plus 2 and what? Cu plus 2 ions only. So we will write here at equilibrium, E cell of the reaction becomes how much here? 0 only. How much here? 0 only. You know the reaction. What is the reaction we have? E cell is equal to, what is the cell we have? E naught of the cell minus, this is 0.059. Suppose n into, if you write log products by the reactants, I will get this one, E cell value 0. That is equal to, what I want to get ma? What I want to get, E cell is equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.059 by how many electron change here? 2 electron change is there, n value 2 only. This into log, this what we have, Zn plus 2 by what ma? Cu plus 2 only. Now I want to change this here, E cell over here, can take this one, E naught cell is equal to, I will write this one, this is 0.059 by 2 into log concentration of the Zn plus 2 by concentration of what ma? Cl plus 2 only. From this I will write here, E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 into, I will write this one, log Kc only. Why Kc here? You know Kc expression, Kc is equal to what ma? Concentration of the product by the concentration of the reactant only. What are the product here? Zn plus 2 only. What are the reactant here? Cu plus 2 only. From this we can write Kc only. So what is the formula I got ma? E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 into log Kc only. Or what you can say, you will write this one generally, how we can, general form I will tell. From this we can write log Kc is equal to, this is 2 into E naught cell by 0.059. This is also you can take one more formula only. So this is the expression, very important expression only. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 into log Kc per Daniell cell only. For general cell reaction, what you can take? E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n into log Kc we can take only. I will write this general formula again. So this is general equation only. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n into log Kc. Instead of this one, you can write this like this also, 2.303 by what you can say RT by NF into log Kc also. But if you substitute all the values, it becomes difficult only. Majority of the times, many of the times you can use this formula. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n into log Kc. This is the relation between what? This is the equilibrium constant from which one? Nernst equation only. So sometimes these are questions also there related to this calculation of the equilibrium constant values only. We'll solve some of the questions on this okay, equilibrium constant, that is the E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n into log Kc only. See, this is the next one of the important of this value of the Kc only. Already we discussed in the first year regarding about the equilibrium constant. The value of Kc gives the extent of the cell reaction only. If the value of the Kc is large, the reaction proceeds to what? Large extent only. Kc is large, reaction proceeds to what? Large extent only. This is one of the significance of which one? Kc only. Now we can see one example question. This is from the NCERT textbook only. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the reaction. Cu 2Ag plus gives rise to Cu plus 2 plus 2Ag. E naught cell is given 0.46 volts only. They are asking to calculate the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant means Kc you have to find only. First of all, let us write the formula we have. What is the formula, man? E naught cell is equal to, this is 0.059 by n into log Kc only. So what are the n value from this reaction? From this reaction, n value given, n is 2 only because the 2 electron change is there, and E naught cell already given how much, means this is 0.46 volts only. Substitute the values. 0.46 is equal to, this is 0.059 by 2 into what you will get, log Kc only. Now we will write here log Kc is equal to, this is 0.46 into 2 by, you will get here 0.059 only. So I will write here log Kc, you can multiply this one, this is 12 only, this is 0.92 by, this is 0.059 only. From this what you can find out? We can find out the log Kc value only. So what are the value we will get? Just you can do this calculation we have. What are the value we have? 0.92. 0.92 divided by 0.059 only. So we will get here 15.59 only. This is how much you will get, 15.59 only. So approximately we will take here 15.6 you will take only. So log Kc is equal to, you will get here 15.60 you will take only. What they are asking? They are asking Kc only. So Kc is equal to, I will write here, this is a anti-log of, you will get this one 15.60 only. We want to see the anti-log, then you will get the answer only. And now we will see this one. Just I will take the 4-digit values only, 15.5932 only. So log Kc value got 15.5932. What you can find out? You can find out Kc only. So log becomes what? Anti-log only. So anti-log of 15.5932 only. You open your logarithm book only, you can use this anti-log terms, you can see. Anti-log of what you can see first? Anti-log of 59 under 3 you can see only. 0.59 under 3, suppose you can see, you will get 3917 only, but here one more digit also there. In the mean difference is there, small table. In that you can see mean difference 2, you will get 2 only. You can add these two. What you will get, ma? You will get 3917 plus 2, you will get what? 3919 only. So what you can write them? We can put the decimal 1 point only. Clear? What the value got? You will got 3.919 only. So I will write here Kc is equal to, what are the value have? This is 15 only. You can write this is 10 power 15. This is into 3 point, what you will get, ma? 919 only. So Kc is equal to, you will get here 3.92 into 10 power 15 only. So this is what? This is the equilibrium constant for the reaction only. Like this you can identify equilibrium constant when E naught cell is given only.